Okay, it is October 4th, and just today, Oliver pretty much figured out how to crawl. He's exactly 7 months old and gifted. We all knew. Come on, you. Come get your dog. You can get it. Come on. He really, really wanted the fireplace equipment, but we didn't let him have that. Maybe now we're going to take a nap. Come on. Up, up. Come on. You can get your dog. Oh, we need to take a break. Come on. You're 7 months. Not even, well, almost exactly. 2/12 you were born. Come on. Come on. Come on. We'll try it again in a little bit.